Let's go! First, cut the yosu into dough. Yosu is made of lard and flour. We'll weigh 1.1 grams of yosu. We prepared you-pi that is made of lard, flour, sugar, and water. We'll weigh 1.7 grams of you-pi. We spread the you-pi flat. We put yosu in you-pi and circle them into a ball. We spread the ball flat with rolling pin and roll it into roll. Do it again. We prepared the mooncake core first. The mooncake core has sweetened bean paste that has salted egg yolk in it. We spread the roll like a biscuit. We put the mooncake core in the biscuit and circle them into a ball. Then we put it into the baking tray. Now let's prepare yolk.
搿东西为啥里头只有黄的水呢？
不要点黄，不要点白。
就是等于蛋白流出之后，再把蛋黄倒进去。
哎，好。
Brush the yolk on the mooncake.
我去盖上子噻。
哎。
就轻来轻去。
哎，轻轻的。
有两个没有。
哎，对。这个嘛，哎，轻轻搅动到干嘛？哎，塞点，放了吧。
Sprinkle a little salmon sesame. Now it's my turn.
Hey moon, I see you shining for other people and shining for me too. Moon, 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 shining in the night.
Baking them. Hooray, it's finished. In the evening, my family eat together. I share mooncake to my aunt as a present. We celebrate the double festival. My brother also read a poem for my motherland.
小朋友们，爱祖国，向着国旗敬个礼。国旗，国旗多美丽，五颗星星高大志。祖国前进我长大，我向国旗敬个礼。
That's my wonderful day. Happy Mid-Autumn Day and National Day to everyone.